What's up guys, PHARMACEUTICALS here, I am Theo and today I'm gonna summon Jigsaw at 3 AM. I am all alone at this house, Mingarakis have some jobs to do and I'm gonna call his name 3 times. That's what they say to summon him, to summon Jigsaw. Guys, I'm all alone and I'm too scared to do this, but I'm gonna do this for you guys. It's all for you. So smash that like button and let's go. So when I came at Mingarakis' grandma's home, I noticed that there was some new things here. Look, it's 3 AM guys. It's 3 AM. Guys, I'm too scared. I don't know where this came from. They was not here before. The Stavros here. Look, no entry. What the fuck? And here, the exit. Like this wasn't here before. You must believe me. Guys, you must believe me. This wasn't here before. And I'm too scared. So now I'm gonna call his name 3 times. Oh, I'm too scared. Man. If something happens, please subscribe to PHARMACEUTICALS. We need those subscribers. So, Jigsaw. 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 Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck was that? It was from here. What the fuck? Guys! What the fuck? Who the fuck is here? Jigsaw, I'm gonna fuck your family! What the Guys! Guys, I'm not kidding! Who the fuck is here? What the fuck? I'm all alone here! Guys, do something! Call the police! Open up! I'm gonna fuck you! Guys, he disappeared and there is no place to go other way. He's not here. There is no place to go outside. Like, what the fuck, where is he? I'm gonna fuck your family, Jigsaw! No, 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 no! Jesus Christ, I'm gonna fuck you! I locked him. Okay. Oh, it's all good. Oh, where is the Jesus water? The Jesus water! Let's go! Yes! The Stavros! What the fuck? The Stavros! The Jesus water! Jesus water and then Stavros! Jesus water and then Stavros! Thank you, Jesus. Yes. He's demonized. He's very demonized. Let's see. Oh, he got up. I am not scared though. Jesus is with me. What the fuck? I'm gonna kill you, Red. Who's behind? Jesus! 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 Okay. He's died. Let's see who's behind it. It's Mingarakis! He has blood! Mingarakis? 6666! 66! No way. I think it's all Queen Elizabeth's work. She did that. I'm sure she did that. Because Mingarakis slept here and I left him here with Queen Elizabeth. And look, water will help. Hold on. I'm sure it will help. A few minutes later I saw Mingarakis like that. He's gonna be okay though. Don't worry, guys. Look how dirty Queen Elizabeth did him. I'm gonna fuck this bitch. I'm here, I'm Theo.
Where am I here?
In your grandma's house.
What the fuck?
I helped you with the
Why I'm wearing
with the
this
Jesus
clothes?
water.
What the fuck?
I don't know. I summoned Jigsaw and I saw you like that. Jesus,
No way.
Jigsaw was inside you.
You got it on camera?
But I'm sure it was Queen Elizabeth's work.
No way. You got it on camera?
Yes.
Please tell
I will
me.
show you right now. Look. The video.
Oh,
This is you.
what the fuck?
Yes, mate. This was you.
Hey, guys, I need to...
Drink
drink
it
the-
all. Drink it all. Jesus will help you, man. Yes, bro.
Oh, this is so fucking good.
Yes.
Guys, what the
I'm
fuck?
so gladly tended like this.
Hey, please help me to take off these clothes. What the
Here,
fuck is
bro,
that?
Here.
I didn't have that.
Here, bro. Look. We must remove the 666.
What the f...
I'm gonna do it with the
What
Jesus
the-
water.
What the fuck?
It's with your blood though.
I have 666.
Look. What the fuck? Like what happened? Did you fight with...
Oh, what's that? Exit.
Yes. A lot of things changed here.
Oh, wait.
What happened? Did you fight with Queen
What does she
Elizabeth
mean?
here?
What does she mean?
Did you fight with Queen Elizabeth? Do you remember?
I don't know, I was sleeping.
No way.
What the fuck is that no entry?
Yes, I was scared too.
Oh, this goes where it came from.
Yes.
What the fuck? This is my house.
Yeah. You was carrying this. You was carrying this. You know?
What?
You could have killed me. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna close this video. This is it. Peace.